Hey y'all, backfeednews.com coming at you live from the studios out here in beautiful New Jersey. The Mountain Road is a reel that I started working on last night. Just strum it along. It's a reel pattern, so just nice and easy. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, ready, go. Kind of heavy-handed, huh? So I was trying to get that backbeat in there. Really hitting a lot of notes on that D chord. Yeah, so that's Mountain Road. Just a couple ways to strum that is with that backbeat on there. There's another one another strumming pattern that went. I don't have that one down yet. That was something I learned from the Bahrain video for the drum. So it went. He was saying galloping, galloping coffee. Galloping, galloping. So I thought that was an interesting pattern as well. But anyway, that one's called The Mountain Road. And I'm going to try to play it one more time. It's a reel and has Michael Gorman's name on it. And for the A sus, I'm just adding that F sharp on top. So instead of trying to do a wacky fingering, I'm just laying that on there. Here we go, one more time, all the way through Mountain Road. And this one is interesting because it doesn't have the repeats like the typical A-A-B-B setup. So here we go. 1, 2, 1 and 2, 3, Yeah, it's kind of messy, so I'm not going to use that, am I?